Namaste all. How are you children? Please be safe in home. Today's topic is human being sketches, like anatomy sketches. So before beginning the class, just have a look our art room. You will feel everything. The material all we need is only a single pencil, normal pencil, and one drawing sheet or any A4 sheet, any kind of paper. Just take these two items and start following it. Human anatomy sketches, and one boy and one girl I am going to show. Okay, and practice this. So, for anatomy sketches, there is a measurement. It is like exactly mathematical calculations. So, our head, take a proportion, our head into 7.5 times. For example, this is our head into 7.5 times. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and a half. So this is the head starting point, this is the legs, toe, the ending point. So we have to start here and we have to end up here. This is the correct proportion of the human anatomy. So let us do. So rough sketch. This is head. This is body, torso. Knees. Legs. This is rough anatomy, and this is hands. Okay, then make it finish. No need detailing. Okay, we want just an outline sketch, and you can shade however you want. We need just that feel. Let us take girls. Girls also 7.5 heads, but the difference between girls and boys anatomical structure is if we talk scientifically also, the boys torso means, see this part, this torso part will be here, shoulder part will be wide, and near the waist here this will be less, but for girls it is I'll show here. Boys torso part will be like this, girls torso part will be like this. Got it? That is a major difference. And boys obviously it is like a muscular body, and girls it's a normal body. So let us start, but this proportion will remain same, 7.5 heads. Let us do. Again, just rough sketch. Torso. Legs. But we are covering with a dress here. Okay, just for your understanding, I show. So this is the construction part of the legs. Then again hands. So let us finish this. You can take any type of hairstyle, okay, any type of dress. You can add more number of things. Here I am taking only the major things, whatever required for the portrait essentials. And any hairstyle, this is up to you. This is called anatomical study. And you have to imagine, see, if a person is standing in one position, so according to that, we have to construct each and every body parts. So the relationship should be there. For example, and there is a thing called here rhythm. This rhythm you can also heard in like a Krishnamurti sir's class. Rhythm means, in musically, rhythm is important. In drawing, rhythm means weightage. By seeing this girl's portrait, sketch, the rhythm means where is the complete weight, like a weight of this girl. Okay, see, if you take like this line, okay, the girl's maximum weight will be on this leg. So her right leg. Whereas the boy's rhythm will be in the left leg here. Rhythm. This is called rhythm. And you can shape however you want, just to add on beauty. So I advise practice like this abrupt sketches, random sketches, speed sketches. See, when we were studying degree and master degree of visual art, our masters will be saying you have to do 1000 sketches per day. So I will say at least 10 sketches daily, just sketch it. So I think you enjoyed the class. Stay safe, be in home, listen to your parents, and happy art.